Welcome to our channel. Today we how to use SoFi for cryptocurrency trading, beginner guide step by step clearly. Open the SoFi app on your device. If you do not have the app, download it from the App Store or Google Play. Create an account or log in if you already have one. Once logged in, navigate to the Invest tab at the bottom of the screen. From the Invest section, select Crypto. You will see a list of available cryptocurrencies. Browse through the options such as Bitcoin, Ethereum, and others. Tap on the cryptocurrency you wish to trade. On the cryptocurrencies page, you will see the current price and market data. To buy, select the Buy button. Input the amount you want to invest or purchase. SoFi allows you to buy fractional amounts of cryptocurrency. Review the order summary to ensure everything looks correct. Confirm your purchase by tapping on the Buy Now button. You will receive a notification that your purchase was successful. If you wish to sell your cryptocurrency, return to the Crypto section. Select the cryptocurrency you want to sell. Tap on the Sell button. Enter the amount you wish to sell. Review the details of the transaction. Confirm the sale by clicking Sell Now. After selling, you will see the updated balance in your account. To monitor your investments, revisit the Crypto section periodically. You can track price changes and overall portfolio performance. Utilize the educational resources available within the app for further knowledge. Explore tips and strategies for trading effectively. Practice patience and research before making additional trades. Stay updated on market trends to make informed decisions. This is how to get started with cryptocurrency trading on SoFi. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.